Hello there, welcome to the wonderful world of grilling, where every meal is an adventure and every sizzle tells a story. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place, ready to master the art of grilling a steak. There's something truly magical about transforming a simple cut of meat into a mouth-watering masterpiece right in your own backyard. Let's make this simple and fun. Grilling doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. It's all about enjoying the process and learning as you go. Nothing beats the sizzle and aroma of steak on a hot grill. That sound and smell mean you're about to create something delicious, and it's a treat for all your senses. Grilling brings people together. Sunshine, laughter, and great food. It's the perfect excuse to gather your friends and family, share stories, and make memories that last long after the meal is over. Don't worry if you're new. We'll walk through every step. From lighting the grill to flipping your first steak, I'll be right here to guide you so you can grill with confidence. By the end, you'll be a barbecue pro. You'll know the secrets to juicy, flavorful steak, and have the skills to impress everyone at your next cookout. Grilling is about making memories, not just food. It's about the laughter, the little victories, and even the occasional mishap that turns into a great story. Even if things get a bit messy, that's part of the fun. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Sometimes the best moments come from happy accidents. So, roll up your sleeves and let's get started. All you need is a little enthusiasm and a willingness to try something new. There's no magic, just a few tricks and patience. With a bit of practice, you'll see how easy and rewarding grilling can be. We'll cover picking the right steak, from marbling to thickness, so you get the best results every time. We'll talk about getting those perfect grill marks and how to flip your steak like a pro for that restaurant-quality look. And you'll learn how to know when it's done. Whether you like it rare, medium, or well done, you'll have the know-how to get it just right. Our goal? A juicy, flavorful steak cooked just the way you like it, ready to be enjoyed and shared. So, are you ready? Let's fire up the grill and begin our delicious grilling adventure together. What makes a steak perfect? Is it the sizzle, the aroma, or that first juicy bite? The answer is a delicious combination of all these things, and more. A truly smashing steak is a celebration of texture, taste, and technique. It's all about juiciness, flavor, and doneness. Each element plays a vital role in creating a steak that's memorable and mouth-watering. The juiciness comes from the perfect balance of fat and moisture, locked inside the meat. A juicy steak should release just enough moisture when you cut it. Never dry, never soggy. The juices should glisten and pool slightly, promising tenderness in every bite. The secret is cooking it just right, not too long or short. Timing is everything. Overcooking dries out the steak, while undercooking leaves it chewy and cold in the center. Flavor comes from both the meat and the grill. The grill's heat caramelizes the outside, while the inside stays tender and rich. When steak hits the hot grill, it forms a delicious crust, the Maillard reaction. This magical process creates those irresistible brown bits and deep savory notes that make steak so crave-worthy. Seasoning with salt and pepper brings out the best in the beef. Salt draws out natural flavors, while pepper adds a gentle kick. Don't be shy, season generously for a bold taste. Doneness is personal, rare, medium, or well done. Choose what you love. Some prefer a rosy center, others, a firmer bite. There's no wrong answer, only what makes you happy. We'll show you how to check doneness later, using simple tricks like the finger test or a trusty thermometer, so you can always get it just right. And don't forget to let your steak rest after grilling. This step is often skipped, but it's crucial for a juicy result. Resting keeps the juices inside, making every bite tender. As the steak relaxes, the juices redistribute. So, you don't lose flavor on the cutting board. So, a perfect steak is juicy, flavorful, cooked to your liking, and well rested. It's a harmony of careful preparation and a little bit of patience. It's simple, but it's an art. Every steak is a blank canvas, and you're the artist, crafting a masterpiece with every sizzle and sprinkle. Let's make your next steak a masterpiece, one that's juicy, flavorful, and unforgettable. Every grill master needs the right tools. You'll need a grill, charcoal for smoky flavor, gas for convenience. Long-handled tongs are a must for safe flipping. Skip the fork, it lets juices escape. A sturdy grill brush keeps your grill clean for better cooking. A meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of doneness. For ingredients, choose a good steak, coarse salt, and black pepper. No fancy spices needed, just let the beef shine. Use a little oil with a high smoke point to prevent sticking. Rub a thin coat on the steak before grilling. That's it. Grill, tongs, brush, thermometer, steak, salt, pepper, oil. Simple, right? Let's move on to picking the perfect steak. Time to pick your steak. The right cut makes all the difference. Look for steaks at least an inch thick. They cook more evenly. Ribeye is a top choice, marbled with fat for juiciness and flavor. Sirloin is leaner but still tasty and reliable. T-bone and porterhouse are impressive but trickier for beginners. For your first try, go with ribeye or sirloin. Look for bright red color and plenty of marbling. Don't hesitate to ask the butcher for advice, they're the experts. A good steak is the foundation of a great meal. Pick a thick, well-marbled cut and you're halfway there. Let's get it ready for the grill. Prep is key. Take your steak out of the fridge 30-60 minutes before grilling. Letting it reach room temperature ensures even cooking. Pat the steak dry with a paper towel for a better crust. Season generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy. Sprinkle from a height for even coverage. Cover all sides. Rub a thin layer of oil over the steak to prevent sticking. These simple steps set you up for grilling success. Your steak is now ready for the heat. Preparation makes all the difference. Next up, firing up the grill. Let's get cooking. Time to heat things up. There's nothing quite like the anticipation of grilling, when the sizzle and aroma are just moments away. Before you even think about steak, you need to get your grill blazing hot and ready for action. A hot grill is essential for a great steak. High heat helps you achieve that perfect sear, locking in juices and creating a delicious crust. Whether you're using gas or charcoal, preheating is the secret to success. For gas grills, crank all the burners to high and close the lid. This traps the heat inside, turning your grill into a searing machine. Let it preheat for 10 to 15 minutes. You want the temperature inside to reach between 230 and 260 degrees Celsius. This ensures the grates are hot enough to give your steak those iconic grill marks. For charcoal grills, a chimney starter is your best friend. Fill it with charcoal and light it up. The chimney design helps the coals heat evenly and quickly, so you're not waiting around forever. When the coals are covered in a layer of white ash, they're ready to go. This means they're at peak heat and will cook your steak beautifully. Pour the hot coals into your grill and arrange them to create 2 heat zones. One side hot, the other cool. This setup gives you total control over the cooking process, letting you sear and then finish gently. Sear your steak over the hot side for that mouth-watering crust, then move it to the cooler side to finish cooking without burning. For gas grills, set one side to high heat and the other to low or even off. This mimics the 2-zone setup and gives you flexibility. With one burner blazing and the other resting, you can move your steak as needed for perfect doneness. Before you start cooking, always clean your grates with a sturdy grill brush. This removes old bits and helps you get those perfect grill marks. Next, wipe the grates with a little oil using a cloth or paper towel. This step adds extra non-stick power and helps your steak release easily. Now, your grill is prepped and ready for action. All your tools are in place, and the heat is just right. Hot, clean, and primed for steak. This is the moment every grill master waits for. The stage is set for grilling greatness. The best part is next. It's time to cook and savor the magic of grilling. The big moment. Place your steak on the hottest part of the grill. Listen for that sizzle. Don't move it. Let a crust form. For a 1.5-inch steak, grill 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare. Flip once with tongs. For grill marks, give a quarter turn halfway through each side. Use your thermometer. 55 degree Celsius for medium rare. 60 degree Celsius for medium. If the outside cooks too fast, move steak to the cool zone to finish gently. Once done, transfer steak to a clean plate. Let it rest 5 to 10 minutes. This keeps it juicy. Tent loosely with foil if you like. After resting, slice against the grain. Serve and enjoy your perfectly grilled steak. You did it. Well done, chef.